With the backplate installed, then we put on the housing that fits over the cavity for the cartridge. You'll notice on the housing that there is a hole, a weep hole, and we want to place that weep hole at 6 o'clock. What holds the housing into place is the chromed, what we call a nut. It's not technically a nut, but it is the housing nut that is decorative and will hold everything into place. Next thing to go on is going to be the plate that goes against the wall. You'll see that there's a 1, 2, and 3 for each one of the functions that are here. And what we want you to do is put this on, and then you'll see a logo that's on the bottom that will go at 6 o'clock. Next we have the diverter trim piece itself. You'll notice that there is a longer screw that's on the bottom, in this case for a handle, and then a shorter Allen key that's on the top. As you're looking at this, put that Allen key that's on the bottom at 6 o'clock, and then with a 2mm wrench, tighten them first a little bit on the top, and then a little bit on the bottom. And this might be the second most critical thing that's in this assembly. These Allen keys hold the diverter handle into place. They must be firm when they're installed. If this is not firm when it's put on, then the whole assembly can slip, and instead of having the handle correspond to each one of the functions that's on the plate itself, it could go a little catawampus. So you want to make sure that is in a nice solid position. Now we're going to put in the diverter handle that goes at 6 o'clock itself. And then we have the screw cover cap that goes on the top. That covers the top Allen key. And then we have the cap. In this case, this cap is a pressure fit, and you'll see that the temperature logo is on there. You want to make sure that temperature logo is readable, and that the arrows that are on that go on the top. This is the R45 5-function shower system. The R45 trim supports 3 plumbing fixtures. In this case, the hand shower, the shower head, and the tub filler. As well as that, you have 2 shared functions that allow you to run 2 fixtures simultaneously. Each dedicated function is activated by the diverter as the handle rotates the markings on the plate. When the handle position is in between markings, shared functionality is achieved. In this case, we have the shower head and the tub filler running together. The handle serves as both diverter and as volume control. I can turn the tub filler outlet from 100% down to 50% and then down to off. The 5 functions can be activated by turning the handle clockwise, as you just saw, or counterclockwise. Turning it counterclockwise, in this case, we turn on the hand shower.